Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's vlog, as you can see in my title, yes, that's right, I'm going to show you the easiest way how to frame your eyebrow. Kilay is life, so kailangan naka-fix ang ating eyebrow. Like me, I'm so uncomfortable going out somewhere when my eyebrow is not fixed. And I know some people or some of my friends, I've been hearing them a lot, they're complaining that they're struggling how to fix their eyebrow or to frame them. So if you're watching in my vlog, this video is really for you. So I've been seeing this video that keeps popping on my TikTok, so that's how I've decided to give this product a try. So I purchased this stuff here from Amazon, and it comes with the 10 pieces eyebrow stencil. So now we're gonna open these. So that's what's inside the box, and then we're gonna pick the stencils. I already picked one for myself, and you're just gonna place that here. So as you can see, that's just perfect, right? And wrong one. And now after I place the stencil, I'm just gonna brush the hair upwards to make sure that they are in place before you're gonna do the stamp. So now you're just gonna dab these to see if this would work. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so pigmented and it looks really beautiful. Leave it as it is like that. I'm just gonna fix the corner with my brush. So it's the same thing. You're going to do the other side. So you just need to flip the stencils and place it on your eyebrow. And I'm dipping them again there. See, my left eyebrow is just so weird. That's it. And the same, you just need to brush the hair. And now let's do the magic. Oh, yeah, this eyebrow on this side, it's not as a good shape. I don't know if I'm doing them right. It's just so hard. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. There you go. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I really love them. Okay, just have to fix the eyebrow here. There you go. Wow. So this is now the final result of the eyebrow stamp. As you can see, my eyebrow is so lit. I loved it. I love the product. It's easy to apply and it's also save you time. So that's it for this video. I'll see you again on my next vlog. So if you enjoyed watching this, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to use the comment box if you have any comments or suggestion, or let me know the verdict of this brow stamp. So see what you think. I'll see you again next time. So bye guys! Diyos ko, sa kadali-dali ng aking video, inabot ako ng gabi. Gabi na dito.